my name is Gulshan Banu, working as an assistant professor, AI and DS department, SNS College of Engineering. So as a part of the curriculum, SNS College of Engineering and SNS institutions actually emphasizes students based on certain curriculum activities, which is, it can either be an design thinking process activity or a case study based activity. So this is implemented just because to make students understand the concept in a very easy manner and a very predefined manner, so that the students can understand the concept very easy. So we are here to present you a case study based activity. So I am here to present you a kind of role play or image prediction process in which the students will be identifying the image based on the given pattern or given identity whichever I am providing to them. So the topic which I have taken here is GAN, which comes under the unit of 2. So what is this GAN is nothing but it just predicts the images based on the clues or based on the facts given by the giver, and the user or the dead end processor should identify the image or the given process based on the given inputs or clues given by that. So students, today I will be telling you certain clues in which you have to find out like what is what and what we are going to predict here. Okay. So now I will give you certain clues in which you have to draw it in a white paper. So based on that, we will have a final outcome. I have drawn a page, I have drawn an image in my page which was given to me, and this is really a very simple thing. I'll just tell you like what are all the different kinds of features it has, what is it and what is it all about. So you people try it out and just tell me like what it can be. Okay, you should not tell it in an oral way, it should be a handwritten one. Okay, so I will give you different kinds of clues. Okay, so when I give you clues one by one, you have to identify or you have to draw what it is all about. Clear? Yes. So this is actually a bird. Okay, so can you draw something or can you predict something based on it? It is a bird, and you can see the bird in all the domestic lands and sometimes in the forest. It has basically two colors. Okay, it is basically two colors, but we will have the dominant color of black. Okay, we will have a dominant color of black. It will be there in and around everywhere. Okay, now you can draw like whatever thing which the clues, by the clues which I have given, you can draw a bird now. So I will tell you like either it is good or either it is correct or not. Yes, you can take your time. It is a bird. It will be either in the forest or it is in the domestic region, but it is a very simple thing. Okay, it's a very simple bird. So you people should draw in the manner which I am, which I have actually drawn in the paper. If you are done, you can show it to me. Okay, you have drawn this and this, both the things you have drawn. Okay, yes. Fine, I will tell you what it is. You are done with your drawing? You have drawn this kind of image and it's a bird. Okay, fine. Have you done? Okay, you have given your perspective of bird. Okay. See now, this is the perspective of different images which they have drawn based on the clues which I give. So now I'll go to the second kind of clue which I have given. So if you want to change something, you can change here. So the thing is, this is the basic drawing in which a child used to draw in the very first stage of their drawing. Okay, like you people might have drawn in some of the basic things, right? A mountain, a tree, and a bird, and you will also have a sun over there. So this is a kind of a very basic drawing, and you will draw the bird in a very basic form. So if you want to change any perspective of yours, you can change it. So this is a kind of bird which will be drawn by a child during his or her first phase of drawing, in which the student will be drawing it in a very white sheet of based on mountains and trees and a sun and certain birds which will be drawn over that. So you have any kind of changes that you have to do it, or which one do you feel you have drawn Jaivelu, you have drawn 2 images, right? Which one do you feel like which it will be a perfect one based on it? So if you want to change anything, you can change. If you want to change any features from that, you can change. So according to you, you have given 2 images. So you can draw an image which you think it will be correct here. So you want to change anything? No.
I think this is the right.
Okay, fine. So let me reveal you, like, have you any kind of answers which you want to change?
No.
So the image which I have drawn here is this, okay? So what I have told you is the thing which is a very simple one. It can be a bird, and it should be a bird. It will be in either a domestic or territorial region, and it will be of 2 colors. It can either be white or black, and you will have a bird shape that will be drawn by a very simple student or a very lower grade student, which will be drawn in a scenic way of mountain, trees and all, right? So based on that, the image which I have drawn is this, and Jaivelu is right, and you have drawn this kind of bird, and this is correct. So my dear students, this is the thing which will be taught in a GAN, in which there will be a predicator and there will be an indicator who will draw, or it can be an image which can be recognized by the user. Okay, the domain person will be having an image or a processor which will have a predefined image, and the other person, that is the opposite person, should identify the picture, like either it is in the correct form or not. So it is like when I am drawing an image, it should be verified, and it will be verified only when the domain person is verifying the image in the process. If at all, if the image is wrong, it will detect it. The uses of this, where can you see the uses of this GAN? Can you just tell me?
Text to image generation.
Yes. And also when you are going for the face recognition process, wherever you have this face recognition, in iPhone you have face recognition, right? Whenever you open the phone, you have a face recognition process, and also the thumb recognition which you use in normal Android phone. It will just verify it only when it is correct. Okay, so these are the applications of GAN. So have you understood the concept? Yes. So this is what the GAN process is, and the kind of processes is in this process. So thank you all for having a wonderful time in my teaching learning process. So yes, this is the process in which case studies will be explained in our institutions. So the case study can either be a role play, or it can be a debate, or it can be a discussion, or something like that. So in this video, I have taught my students based on this topic, and I have just taken a role play or kind of image recognition process, in which the students are quite able to understand the concept in an efficient way. So thank you all. Thank you.